Welcome to the Money Saver Society channel. I am Miriam. Today, we're diving into the African secrets to saving money. Saving money is a global challenge, but in Africa, where many communities have faced economic hardships, families and individuals have developed resourceful ways to manage their finances. These traditional and modern money-saving methods have stood the test of time, fostering resilience and long-term prosperity. This video will explore some of Africa's most valuable saving secrets, focusing on community-based financial practices, frugal living, and strategies prioritizing long-term financial stability over short-term gains. Get ready to be inspired by the ingenuity and financial prudence deeply rooted in African cultures. Our journey begins with the heart of African communities, the ROSCA, or Rotating Savings and Credit Association. Imagine a group of friends, neighbors, or colleagues coming together, bound by trust and a common goal, to save money together. Each member contributes a fixed amount regularly, and in turn, each member receives the collected sum. This simple yet powerful system embodies the spirit of Ubuntu, emphasizing interconnectedness and community. ROSCAs are more than just saving schemes. They're social safety nets, fostering financial discipline and mutual support. Imagine a young woman, Abena, from Ghana, wanting to start a small business selling handcrafted jewelry. She joins a ROSCA, and when her turn comes, she receives the lump sum, enough to purchase materials and rent a small stall. The beauty of the ROSCA lies in its accessibility and flexibility. There are no complicated forms, no credit checks, just a shared commitment to uplift each other. It's a testament to the power of collective action, where even small contributions can lead to significant financial progress. Our next stop takes us to the heart of frugal living, a principle deeply ingrained in many African cultures. This isn't about deprivation. It's about being resourceful, making the most of what you have, and prioritizing needs over wants. Imagine walking through a bustling market in Marrakech, Morocco. The air is filled with the aroma of spices, and vendors skillfully haggle over prices. This art of bargaining is deeply rooted in the culture, reflecting a commitment to getting the best possible value for every dirham spent. In many African households, clothes are mended, food is preserved, and resources are shared to minimize waste and maximize value. Children are taught from a young age to appreciate money's value and be content with what they have. This culture of thrift fosters a sense of contentment and gratitude. Individuals and families can build a solid financial foundation for the future by avoiding unnecessary debt and impulsive purchases. Remember, living within your means is about making conscious choices that align with your values and financial goals. In exploring African financial wisdom, we now delve into the vital role of family and social networks. These connections are more than just social bonds. They form the backbone of financial support systems. Imagine a small village in Tanzania, where families have lived for generations. Here, the concept of Ubuntu, of interconnectedness, is not just a philosophy but a way of life. When one person faces hardship, the entire community rallies to offer support. Families pool their resources to support members in need, whether it's paying for school fees, covering medical expenses, or helping to start a business. This informal support network provides a safety net, reducing reliance on formal banking systems or high-interest loans. Aspiring business owners often receive seed capital from family members or friends who believe in their vision and are willing to invest in their success. This cycle of reciprocity strengthens social bonds and creates a culture of mutual aid. Building strong relationships and nurturing your social network can contribute to your financial stability and create growth opportunities. Our journey now takes us to the entrepreneurial spirit that thrives across Africa. Having multiple income streams is not just a financial strategy here. It's a way of life, a testament to resilience and resourcefulness. Imagine a woman in Senegal rising before dawn to tend to her small farm, selling her produce at the local market, and then spending her afternoons weaving beautiful baskets to sell to tourists. This income diversification is not driven by choice, but by necessity, a way to navigate economic uncertainty and ensure financial stability. By having multiple streams, even if they are small individually, individuals and families can create a safety net, ensuring a steady flow of income even if one stream dries up. A teacher might offer private tutoring sessions after school. A taxi driver might use his vehicle for deliveries during off-peak hours. A stay-at-home mom might start a small business selling homemade snacks or crafts. This entrepreneurial spirit is fueled by a strong work ethic and a determination to succeed. Diversifying your income streams is about creating financial security, exploring your potential, and building a life of greater freedom and choice. Our exploration of African financial wisdom leads us to a concept deeply ingrained in many cultures: delayed gratification. This principle, often passed down through generations, emphasizes patience, long-term thinking, and the importance of resisting impulsive spending. Imagine a young couple in Kenya saving for their dream wedding. Instead of going into debt for a lavish ceremony, they save diligently, month after month, year after year, until they have enough to fund their celebration without incurring debt. This practice of delayed gratification is not a sign of deprivation, but a testament to their commitment to financial prudence and long-term stability. It's about focusing on the bigger picture and on achieving long-term financial goals rather than succumbing to the allure of instant gratification. Farmers patiently nurture their crops, waiting for the right season to harvest. Families save diligently for years to build their dream homes brick by brick. By embracing the wisdom of delayed gratification, we can resist impulsive spending, break free from the cycle of debt, and build a solid foundation for a secure financial future. Delaying gratification involves making conscious choices that align with your long-term goals and values. Africa's financial landscape includes a vibrant informal banking system. It operates parallel to formal banks, providing a lifeline for millions. This trust network and community support are essential for those without traditional banking access. Imagine a bustling market in Lagos, Nigeria. Amidst the stalls, people manage finances through informal transactions. Trust is currency, and relationships are collateral. Practices range from saving schemes to lending networks. Money lenders offer small loans, bypassing formal bank hurdles. Individuals contribute to a collective fund managed by a trusted agent. This system provides a safe way to save, access credit, and support each other. Our final stop on this journey through African financial wisdom takes us to the bustling marketplaces. They are the heart and soul of many communities. We uncover a powerful saving strategy amidst the vibrant colors, exotic aromas, and lively chatter. Deeply ingrained in African culture, the art of bargaining. Imagine yourself navigating the labyrinthine alleys of a Moroccan souk, surrounded by vendors showcasing their wares. The air is thick with the scent of spices, and the sound of haggling fills the air. This is not just a transaction, it's a dance, a playful exchange where both buyer and seller strive to strike a fair deal. Bargaining is not simply about getting a lower price. It's about respect, building relationships, and ensuring a mutually beneficial exchange. By negotiating prices, individuals can stretch their budgets further, making their hard-earned money go further. This cultural norm also promotes financial literacy and awareness. By engaging in regular bargaining, individuals develop a keen understanding of market prices, product quality, and the value of their money. Bargaining is about being a savvy consumer, which is about respecting your budget and engaging in a time-honored tradition that celebrates the art of negotiation and the value of a hard-earned deal. As we conclude our journey through Africa's rich tapestry of saving traditions, I hope you're inspired by the ingenuity, resilience, and community spirit that define these time-tested practices. From the collective power of ROSCAs to the art of bargaining, these secrets offer valuable lessons for achieving financial well-being, no matter where you are in the world. Remember to subscribe to the Money Saver Society channel for more insights into personal finance, cultural wisdom, and practical tips for achieving your financial goals. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. Share your thoughts on these African saving secrets and tell us about any unique financial traditions you've encountered in your own culture. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the wisdom of financial empowerment together.